Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the tag and reading its current security. Use an NFC reader app to dump the memory and note the password bytes and access bits. This gives you a recovery point. Make sure you have right permission or the existing password. Without it, you may need a specialist tool. Once done, save that dump to your device. Do not skip capturing UID and configuration pages because they determine whether unlocking or password removal is possible. You now authenticate to the tag using the known password. The app will prompt for it. After successful auth, edit the configuration bytes that control auth 0, access, or pack fields. These determine when the password is required. If you want to remove the password, set auth 0 to an address that disables protection or overwrite password bytes with zeros while ensuring pack and access flags align. Make sure to perform a right verification read immediately. Finish by validating access. Remove the app password prompt and read protected sectors. You should be able to read and write without authentication. If the change didn't persist, reattempt writes with the tag centered over the antenna, reduce phone interference, and retry authentication steps. If pages are permanently locked or you see changed access bits preventing recovery, consult the chip datasheet or use a hardware NFC programmer to salvage data. Remember, some tags cannot be unlocked if permanently configured.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.